The preparation work.
Okay. Let me
Well,
get.
do you want to just do that first and then start the broadcast when we start our group quiz?
No, I think it's okay because then I have to come back, and it says anyway to do it on do part 2 on the.
All right, I'm good.
Okay. Okay. So you guys open. SPSS, and tell me when you're ready.
I have SPS open. Let me find which one. Okay. Oh, no, that's the wrong one. Okay.
Okay, so in the variable 1 column, the first cell, you're going to write Democrat.
Wait, in SPSS?
Yes, in
Does
SPS.
Democrat have to be first, or does it matter?
No, if we're going to do this together, let's just do it the same.
Just because I already had them entered, and so I'll just copy and paste it. Oops. Oops. I don't know what's going on with my computer. Let me just clear it and start over.
Okay.
Oh, mine's acting weird.
Yeah, mine's not letting me close it. Okay.
All the beeping. Bink, bink.
Yeah.
So
Now I have to figure
on.
get this little so I can go back. Okay.
Okay, so where are we putting Democrat? How does this work?
On the column that says variable 1, cell 1, you're going to put Democrat.
Okay.
And then still in column 1, cell 2, we're going to write Democrat. So we're typing below the word Democrat. Does that make sense, right?
Yeah.
We're still in the variable 1 column.
Okay, you're setting up completely different than I did, so I'm gonna hope I follow you.
Okay. Well, this is according to the homework, what it said to do.
Right.
So, you put Democrat, then what?
So in the first column, you're going to put Democrat, Democrat. Democrat in cell 1, Democrat in cell 2.
In variable 2 or cell 2?
No, just cell 2. We're still in the column of variable 1.
Okay, that's where I misunderstood you.
And then you do 2 Republicans, right?
And then you do 2 Republicans in 3 and 4 column, in the 3 and 4 cell.
Okay, you just did it back opposite of what I did.
Right. Yeah.
Okay.
So the variable 1 is party affiliation. Does that make sense?
And you can change that by going down to variable view and typing.
We can do that, but let's put this in first, and then we'll title all 3 of the variables.
Okay.
So everybody has Democrat, Democrat, Republican, Republican, right?
Yep.
Okay, variable 2 column, cell 1. We're going to write in favor. You can write in favor Prop 8 or in favor number 8. I'm just putting in favor.
I'm just putting favor and against.
Okay. And right, and number 2, cell 2, you're going to put against.
And then in favor again, and then against again, right?
Mm-hmm. Exactly.
How did it go, everyone?
Good. Shannon's a baller.
I bet.
And then
You guys are great, stuff like that. I airballed it.
in variable 3, cell 1, you're going to put
I was getting cocky, not having fun.
you put Democrat, which is 120.
Should Chase hated me by the end. Oh yeah, he's very competitive.
And then in the next one, you're going to put 80.
I'm sure it's really infuriated.
In the next one, you're going to put 250.
And then 50.
I'm sorry, when you saw that.
Okay. Then 50.
Oh, wow.
Okay, now, if you want to put titles on that, you would go to variable view on the bottom. Where it says name. On the number 1 cell, you'd put party affiliate or whatever.
Oh, yeah, when you fell.
Wait,
Dude, I felt like-
one sec.
I'm sorry, Keith.
Oh no, you're fine.
Oh,
So what do you do in variable view? Sorry, 2 roommates came home and they're just really talkative.
When you put a name, you can't put any spaces. So I'm just going to put party. On the
Wait, where do you put this in?
you have to go to the bottom left, where it says variable view.
Okay, I'm there.
Okay, where it says name on the top.
Yeah.
On number 1 cell, you're going to write party for their party. No spaces. Any spaces, it won't work.
Wait, it's not. What do you mean? Like I can't change it?
Go down to variable view, Katie.
I am on variable view, but I click on name and it just highlights the whole column.
No, don't hook. Just click on
The cell 1 under
that
name.
you want to type in.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And then in cell 2, you're going to put prop 8 with no, well, I don't know if it can,
I just put vote.
okay. And then in prop, I think I'll put vote too, because I don't want to name a number. And then in cell 3, you're going to put count, C-O-U-N-T.
Okay.
Okay? And then let's go back to data view. Let's see if that worked. Yep, there you go. That did work.
Cool.
And then
Okay.
don't we have to weight them?
Yep, so now that's what we're going to do next. We're going to go data. And then we're going to go to weight cases on the bottom. I don't know what that means. All variables in this working file and variables that are inappropriate for this data box. Oh, shoot. Weight cases by, I don't know.
When it says radio button, wait, places by. It says, I don't know what radio button means, but maybe it's just a. Anyways, wait cases by move variable count.
Well, it
in-
should say party, vote, and count, and we should do weight cases by count and put that over frequency variable.
Yeah. You just move over count by frequency variable.
I don't know how to do that. Okay, let's back up. Back it up.
You guys still there?
Yeah.
I'm reading my instructions.
That's why I wonder if.
You select wait cases by and then you move the variable count to the frequency variable box.
Right, but there's nothing to move over. Do you guys have
Mine showed it. Mine showed count.
Party, vote, and count?
Yeah.
Mine just had count.
Does yours say count?
Yeah. Mine says count.
What? So you go to data, weight cases, which is on the bottom,
Right.
and then I get all variables in the working file or in variable sets in use are inappropriate for this dialog box. Do you get that? What?
In your weight cases, did you check the box weight cases by? You have to check that box first.
Okay.
Did you check that?
Yes.
Because when you,
And nothing comes over.
no, okay. But do you have, first, before you move anything over, do you have the box weight by cases checked? It's right above the big blue arrow. Right next to the frequency variable, but above it. Do you have that box checked?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, after you hit data,
Yes.
through it again. Okay, just a minute, let me go backwards. So you hit data, you go down to weight cases,
Okay.
your little box comes up, and then you have to re-click the weight cases by. Did you click that already?
Yes, I've done that a couple times, but when I do weight cases, it comes up, I get an IBM SBS Statistics 21, and it says all variables in this working file or in variable sets in use are inappropriate for this dialog box. You guys didn't get that?
No.
Nope.
Can you show us your screen?
I don't know.
Just like scroll over the.
No, because because
That's right, because you're on your computer.
I'm on VMware and the thing is not on VMware. Okay. Well, you guys might have to answer those questions because I can't get it. When you start,
But what's interesting is I can do that, and it doesn't bring anything else up.
you're right. You're right. But then what we're going to do, okay, so you guys go ahead and do that, and I will have to figure this out on my own. When you began the SPSS, did you use Unicoding thing and all that, right? Okay,
What?
so now you're going to go to Analyze.
I have it all set up already. I figured it out while you guys were talking.
Analyze descriptive statistics, and then cross tabs.
Okay, just a minute. I had to go backwards. Okay, analyze, descriptive,
Statistics,
crosstabs.
cross tabs. Click that.
Then I have all three of them.
I have it all set up. I'll be right back.
And then you're going to go where it says cells. You see that where it says cells?
Yeah, and do check it, expected.
Check observed and expected. Observed count and expected count. Click both.
Okay.
And then you're going to close out that. And then you're going to go, what?
I'm telling my kids they're watching TV. It's too loud.
Okay.
Go ahead.
And then you're going to move your location. You're going to move party over to rows and vote over to columns. Why can't I get this? I don't know. And then then, have you got that?
Yeah.
Then you're going to go to statistics.
And we don't do anything with count.
No, you just click both of those boxes and then you close that out or push OK or whatever. Then you're going to go over to statistics.
Okay.
And you're going to click the chi-square.
Okay, so hold on for just a minute. I'm where we are, but I should have written it down. So first I went to analyze, then, where is that? Then descriptive, then crosstabs. Okay. Okay, and then we hit OK.
And you click the chi-square.
Yeah.
And then you push continue.
Okay.
And then on the bottom, there's a box that says display clustered bar charts.
I must have gone too far.
Yeah, I'm sorry. When I push continue, you're probably okay because we don't need to display the bar chart, so that's no worries.
Okay.
Okay, so now you can find the test statistics under the Pearson chi-square column.
So do you have, Katie, 250.520
For what?
for the chi-score?
I have 33.957.
What? Under the chi-square test, under value,
Yeah,
what do you have?
33.957A.
It's supposed to be 33.96.
Okay, yeah, that's what I got.
I don't have that.
And you're supposed to have, are the requirements met? And it's supposed to have expected cell count. Why can't I open this?
Okay, I don't know what to do because mine's way off. Let me go back. I'm going to, nope, I don't want to. Okay, if I go back to my data, whoops. How do I get back out of here? Oh my
Close that
gosh.
window.
It's just, okay. It's going to close everything. Oh my gosh. How do I close that window? How do I get back to my inputted information?
Can you just push close? The X. Why can't I get into? Why is it inappropriate for this dialog box? You
I
guys.
wish I could help. I don't know. You guys are having so many problems. Oh.
Okay, back to the very first page. I have in row 1 Democrat, row 2 Democrat, row 3 Republican, row 4 Republican.
Right.
In column 2, I have favor, against, favor, against. And in column 3, under count, I have 120, 80, 250, and 50.
Did you say 260 or 250?
250. That's all correct, Katie?
Yeah, I believe so.
Okay, and then I go to data and weight cases by count, and hit OK. And
Wait,
then
did you move the variable count to?
Yes, over
box?
to the box. And so
Okay.
then I get a blank screen that says weight by count. So then I go back to my other screen, and it just looks like it did when I left it a minute ago, and I hit analyze, descriptive statistics, cross tabs, I have party in row 1 in rows, vote in columns, and count is left over on the side.
Yeah.
Okay,
You
and
go to
then
statistics and you check Chase or chi-square.
right, and when I hit, and that's okay. And when I hit cells, I have both observed and expected marked.
Wait, what?
Under the cells, we did that first.
I didn't check those. All I did was check the chi-square and then display clustered bar charts. That's all I clicked. I didn't click anything else.
Huh.
Cause that's all it told us to do on the homework.
Okay. Okay, wait, maybe if I do, you did display clustered bar charts, but you did not click on expected?
No, all I did was check chi-square and displayed clustered bar charts. That's all that the instructions said.
Okay. I still get a different value than you. That is so bizarre. I still get the same value I had. What in the world?
I don't know.
Katie, can you show me your screen? Go back.
Yeah. Let me see if it will work because I have 2 different link servers. But
Which will be hard for me because I'm going to have to make it, because it's just on my phone, not on my computer, so it'll be itsy bitsy tiny.
can you see it?
Yeah, I can't make it bigger. I was hoping I could expand it, but I can't.
I don't know how to do it.
You guys, let me see your screen. I'm gonna go back to.
Like, I went to, can you see what I'm doing? Analyze, descriptive statistics, crosstabs, and then rows I put party, column I put prop 8, then I went to statistics, just did that, continue, displayed clustered bar chart, and put OK. And then,
I don't know why mine's different. That's exactly what I did. Okay, I'm going to try one more time. Analyze.
Can you put yours on the screen?
I don't know. How do I get it on the screen and I can try? So bizarre. Because my,
I don't know why, I don't know what's going on with your guys' stuff.
yeah. Hey, under what it says party vote cross tabulation, that
What?
shows up. Does that show up on your cross tabs? Do you have a thing that says party vote cross tabulation?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just checking numbers. So the very total was 250, 250, 500. Is that what yours shows?
No. Mine is 200,
maybe
300, 500.
You know, it's missing. I'm missing. No, I have 4 bars, but in that I only have 3 lines. Let me go back. Something is not adding into it. That is weird. Because it shows only 1 Democrat and 2 Republicans. That's weird. Because, oh, I know why. Oh, I know why. Never mind. I didn't spell Republicans the same in both places, and so it made a whole new column.
You didn't do what?
I was abbreviating. I abbreviated different in both boxes, and so I have to spell that correctly.
So in the column you didn't, they didn't match?
Yeah, I spelled differently.
I wonder if
So,
that's my problem.
okay. Now let me try it again. So I better start with the whole weight cases over. Okay. And then I'm going to go to Analyze and Descriptive, Crosstabs, Party. Okay, yay! That was my problem.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh.
Now we know to look for spelling. It's important.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? Mine might be because I had a space in favor.
Yep. That could do it. Come on, phone.
Spelling's important, children.
Okay, so our chi-square statistic is 33.957, or if you round up 96.
Mhm.
And all the requirements are met because there's more than 5, and the degrees of freedom is 1, right?
Yep.
Okay, and the P statistic, is that the asymp sig?
Yeah.
So it just shows 0.000?
Yep.
All right, I'm on board. That was my problem.
Oh man.
Katie, we really slowed you down tonight.
It's okay. I've been playing this dots game on my phone.
We're like, Katie,
I'm like really addicted to Pinterest, so I'm on a Pinterest fast. But like when I was like sitting waiting for a doctor's appointment, and I'm like, what do I do with my time? I would usually go on Pinterest right now. And then I'm like, oh shoot. And so then I downloaded this game, and so now I just replaced my addiction with something else.
that's funny. We think you're funny because, like, you come late and you're way ahead of us anyways. It kills me. I wish my brain was as quick as yours. Okay, so do you reject the null
Not
hypothesis?
really, because I overthink everything. So one sec, I need to go grab my charger.
Okay. Okay, state your conclusions.
All right, I think I'm on board now. Woohoo! Okay. So
And
the
just this
chi
video.
square, I got. What did you guys give for the chi square?
For the chi-square, we got 33.9, either 6 or 957.
Oh my gosh, what did I do? I've got one.
Oh no! What happened?
120 and 80, 250 and 50.
I like how Pam, you were the one that was like telling us how to get through it, and now you're like, oh man!
Okay, where are you at, Pam? What do you got?
You know what? I don't care. I'm ready to start.
Yeah, let's just figure this out on the homework quiz.
Okay,
I think if we all do this, it'll be fine.
Yeah, I think we've learned through this process like what not to do.
Okay.
Oh man, I'm a hoot. Goodness.
Okay.
Okay. Now you gotta give me a minute to open that up. I'm not there yet.
I'm just going to do it on paper because if I have to keep switching between the two, well, maybe I can get it open. Let me see. Group meeting.
Okay. Now I gotta open up BYUI on Foxfire.
Okay.
Yeah, the only thing you have to open up is chiropractor.sab for the last 5 questions.
Oh, we do have to open up something? Okay.
Yeah. And then the rest don't need it. I don't think so.
But we need a blank sheet, don't we?
No, it.
And the link is there, right?
Yeah, it is. It is, Pam.
Okay.
Okay, let's start. Except for, do we have to enter this information in? The voting preference information?
Well, work, yeah.
Okay.
Yes?
Okay, I'm still logging on. Hold on. Sorry. Group meeting. All right. Expand that and start. Okay. Well, it looks like. All right.
I'm pretty sure the first couple of questions you don't need SPSS for, but
You
for
don't?
like 7 through 14 or 10 through 14 you do.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Maybe not. Maybe I'm wrong.
Yeah, I bet you have to enter that information there.
Well,
Oh,
let's
it's the Republican Democrat thing,
Uh-huh.
but just more.
Okay. Here we go. Which set of hypotheses is appropriate for addressing the research question? Gender and voting purposes are independent. Gender and voting purposes are not.
It's the one where the HO is.
and voting.
Wait, so that one's gender and voting purposes are independent, and then the alternate are not independent.
Right.
Right. So that's the first one, right, for you guys?
Yeah.
Right. That's the first one for me.
Okay. Number 4, what is the equation for computing the degrees of freedom? I don't know.
I got the bottom one. Number of rows minus 1 times number of rows minus 1.
Yep.
Okay, next.
What is the correct choice for degrees of freedom for this problem? So now we do have to put everything in?
Yes.
Either that or figure it out. But we might as well just put it in. Okay, I have to write it down. Sorry. Okay.
I don't think, oh yeah, we do, because we have to have the statistic, the test statistic, so we do need to put it in. Okay. Do we put it in just like it is?
Yeah, you don't need the totals. No, you're going to have to do it the same way. You're going to have to do female.
3 times. Female 3 times, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Wait, female?
And then male 3 times.
Oh, I was going to put Republican, Republican, Democrat, Democrat, and yeah.
Well,
The
you
female.
can do it that way too. You can do it either way.
Oh, I'm so tired of it always beeping at me.
But
Leave me alone.
you spell them the same every time. If you use a capital or you don't use a capital, spell them the same. Okay, then we have
F and M.
Wait. Do we have, then we do 3 rows of parties, right?
Yeah.
So 250, oops. Make sure you type your numbers in right. That makes a difference.
Oops.
Oh, wait.
Okay. No Democrat. 300.
Did someone invite somebody? Monica, are you there? Oh, maybe I
What?
need to go back and
Oh
invite
my
her.
god.
Hold
What is
on.
the dog doing?
All
Oh,
right.
I like how my head's just half here. I didn't even notice. I like have so many screens open that I can't even see you guys anymore.
This is so funny. The homework was so easy. And this is taking us forever.
Right.
Sorry about that. If my husband gets a phone call, it wipes everything out.
Oh, I see.
So in my variable 1, I have female, 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 male, male, male. Is that right?
Right.
And my variable 2 is
Republican, Democrat, Independent.
Republican, Democrat, Independent. Repeated twice.
And
okay.
then in variable 3, you got 250, 350, 200, 150, 50.
Okay, you're way ahead of me. I'll get there though. Wait, why wouldn't it? It erased it. It keeps erasing it. Why would that be?
I don't know. Get a new sheet.
Okay, let me try again. So under variable 2, I should be able to type Republican, and it erases it every time. Let me try putting something in variable 3. Okay, let me try again. Here's my phone, Raj. Are you going to call them on yourself? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm closing out. I'm reopening. Starting again.
New plate.
Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, guys. Okay. Well, this one's letting me do it.
Don't go too fast. You'll make too many mistakes.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm already there.
Stop bragging, you bragger. Okay, and then the third one. Wait, so my third column then has female Republican 250, right? 250, female Democrat 800, female independent 50, female or male 200, 50, 50. Okay. So then I go to weight cases. Oh, I didn't change my variables. Okay. Okay, then I can go to, oh my gosh.
Katie, when you did yours, did you put variable 1 in the rows?
What? Did I change the variables?
No, did you put variable 1 in the rows and variable 2 in the columns?
Oh, I renamed them.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Yeah. So I put. What did I put? um.
Oh shoot, I didn't check everything I needed to check. Ah, crud. I think this is my last one that pulled up in front of me.
Yeah, I put gender in row and party in column, so that would have been variable 1, variable 2.
Oh my gosh, it keeps pulling up all the old ones I've had on here that I thought I closed. Okay, data, weight. I count, that's okay. So then I go into analyze, descriptives, crosstabs.
Okay, what did you get for your chi-square?
Me?
Yeah.
I got 16.204.
Yeah, what's that A supposed to be for?
I don't know. I'm not worrying about it.
And your degrees of freedom is 2.
Mm-hmm. Which doesn't make sense because, like, the formula says that degrees of freedom is number of rows minus 1, number of columns minus 1, and we had 6 rows, right?
No, 3.
3 rows minus 1 is 2, and then number of columns we had 6 columns, didn't we?
2. Men, female.
Oh, I was thinking on SPSS. So 2 minus 1, 1 times. Okay, yeah, it'd be 2. Never mind. I got you. I got you. I know what's up. Oh,
And
man.
the p-value is 0.000.
Mhm.
And all of the counts are all over 5.
Yes, ma'am.
So the requirements are met.
So we reject the null.
Okay, so we're back on the test now. Okay, great. Okay, here we go. So question number
5 is where we're on.
And let me get on to back to the test.
So degrees of freedom is 2.
Why does it ask that? Oh, I guess it doesn't. I thought it asked that question twice. Okay, so all yes is for number 6. Yes, there are 5 observed. Wait.
I just looked at my notes, and it says that the requirement is that each expected count is greater than or equal to 5.
Right.
So it says there are at least 5 expected counts, not observed counts.
Right. Well, and the other one says 5 observed counts in at least one cell. That's not right.
So it'd be yes, there are at least 5 expected counts in each cell.
Correct.
Yep.
Okay, 7. What is the value of chi-squared?
Test statistic.
It is 16.20. Oh, 14.20. I mean,
Yeah.
6.20.
I'm sorry, 16.20.
What is the value, p-value for this problem?
0.000, right?
Right. Okay. Which of the following statements best describes the outcome of the study? There is sufficient evidence to suggest
That gender and voting preferences are,
are independent.
but I don't see that. Oh, no, never mind, I found it. Jokes is the last one.
Last one, yeah. Okay.
Okay, so we need to exit out of that and clear that.
Okay, yeah, let me do that because last time it kept bringing up stuff that I didn't want.
So right-click on the link below and select Open Link in New tab. Download data question. All right. That's nice. They said to do that, so I did it right. Oh, good. We can't mess up any data entry.
Nope.
Yay! Okay, so let's weigh these cases. Are you up with this?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to weigh the cases. And then we're going to go to, and close that out.
Okay, so does it change? Whoops, why did it take me back there?
I'm sorry?
On the video, it showed that you went into the cell box and checked what you told us to check. Do we not need to check that?
I would. And the cells check both observed and expected. And then
Wait, why are you checking observed and expected? Mine's never even asked for that. I mean, I don't know.
I don't know, it says to do it in the homework. So I
Does
did.
it? I never saw that in the homework. Mine just said to check chi-square and display cluster bar chart. That's it.
Yeah, I have where it says that.
Really?
Um,
Did I skip it?
Well, it was in the
oh no, it was in the video, not.
yeah, it was in the video.
You guys probably can't even see me as my phone's laying flat.
I can't see you anyway because I'm in VMware, and so.
But you checked it last time and it gave you the same results as Katie, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this time, the value 7.436. Is that what you got? Just so I know I'm doing it right. I don't know what
The
the
what?
Yeah. The
chi-score. The
score is 7.436. Degrees of freedom is 8.
Okay,
And the
question.
p-value is 0.490. And all the counts are above 5.
Now we haven't had to do one where we do anything different with like the two-sided tail. We just leave it like it is.
Yeah, there is no, it's always the two-sided tail. There's no one-sided tail in this this type of test.
Okay.
Okay, so question number 10. The condition for detecting a chi-square test for independence is satisfied. True.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the correct choice of degrees of freedom?
8.
8. What is the value of the test statistics? And 2 decimals, 7.44. What is the value of the p for this problem? 0.490. There is insufficient evidence to suggest.
Wait, the p-value you put 0.490, right?
Right. And so now it's going to be insufficient evidence to suggest
Let me go back to that.
the location motivation to visit chiropractor are not independent.
It's insufficient evidence to suggest that motivation to visit a chiropractor is not independent of the location.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds right. Should we submit it?
Yeah, I will. I'll do it. So that was the last one, right? Submit. Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
How'd we do, ladies?
It is number 9 is wrong.
Number 9.
Mm-hmm.
What did you put?
There is sufficient evidence to suggest that gender and voting preferences are independent. That
What
one
was
is wrong.
the hypothesis? Okay.
Wait, so then what is it? There's no.
Because we reject the null, so that means there is sufficient evidence for the alternative hypothesis.
Well, maybe
Oh,
we
so there's
wrong.
sufficient evidence to suggest that gender and voting preferences are not
Are
independent?
not independent. Yes, that is correct. Yes, that's
I'll
correct.
submit mine. Yep, that's correct. I just submitted it.
Yeah, that is correct. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
No, it's all right. I don't care.
Yeah.
It's,
Meh.
I'm just glad to kind of get this. I'm really slow tonight. I mean, now I'm getting it, but I'm hoping that I can do it on my own. you know?
You got this, girl. You got this. Well, I need to get going because it's my bedtime.
Okay,
And I'm tired.
it is late. All right, thanks,
Late.
Kate.
All right, good
Bye,
night.
everyone.
I need to get off of here too and submit this.
All right, thanks, Pam.
All right, well, thank you.
Your test for 18 yet? Your homework?
No, I was, yeah, no,
Okay.
yeah. Life's crazy. Just that's what we say every time we meet. Life's
What
crazy.
it is. It is what it is.
Yeah.
I